tell you, literally, I got the worst luck with this particular car. The day of pickup, getting the sunroof put in. The worst tow truck company ever. Let me show y'all something, man. This company. This the truck they should have came with, a flatbed. What in the world? Like, y'all see where we at? We're on the side of the expressway. What tow service come with a scissor truck to haul an old school? Man, y'all see how the car is coming, man. Like, you got a scissor truck hauling an old school. And I told this dude, like, bruh, this an old school. You need a flatbed. Look at this. Man, look at my baby. On the ground. Tire off. You know what I'm saying? Like, off. When I tell you, like, in the past, when I said I don't like problems, I really don't like problems. This by far is the biggest problem ever. I ain't never went through this with no box Chevy. I ain't never went through this with no dump. This particular car has been a headache since day one. Ever since day one. You know, like, really, by far. Like, when I tell you, y'all know how expensive the stuff is. Y'all see the trim and everything, like, bro. Then the tire, not only that, rolled off, but it bounced off and hit that car, hit the front. I hope that drive okay. But I literally was coming around that corner when I noticed my car swinging and swerving and swinging. Then I saw my car bounce. When I saw that bounce, like, that's it. Then I saw my wheel just fly. Just fly. And I'm flashing the lights for like 2-3 minutes. Like, keep in mind, my car was already being drugged in that curve. Let me see if I can. My car was being drugged in that curve all the way. It took this long for him to see me flashing the light and other cars honking their horn, flashing the light and pulling up. For him to even pull over. Like, y'all see the grooves? Y'all see that line? See the line coming all the way across the expressway? Like, most drivers, they ride in the slow lane. Let me see. This the median. You go 1, 2, 3. 3 lanes over. So this how we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lanes. Really, these last 2 lanes is turning lanes. They exit lanes. You know what I'm saying? So count that 1. Let me spread it out. Lane 1, 2, 3, You just one lane over from the fastest lane. Then y'all towing a tow truck with a infant baby in the front seat. Man, where they do that at? You know what I'm saying? That's why earlier today, when I got Lucille, I didn't even bother to wash it off. Like, when I say this car is just cursed, it's always something. From beginning to the purchase, something. Fox Chevy Queen didn't do what he's supposed to do. He didn't keep his end of the bargain. Like, he was supposed to handle all this stuff way up in Memphis. From the sunroof to the quarter top, from the opera lights to the rear sequential lights, from the paint. Man, look at this, bro. My car up in the air. Up in the air. Yeah. Look at this. Then broke a stud off. Everything up in the air on a scissor truck with an old school. Got my baby on the ground, man. You know what? I don't even want to call it my baby, man. This car cursed, man. I should change the name from Lucille to Bad Luck Betty. Cause everything about this car just ain't nothing been going right. Nothing with this car whatsoever. But y'all got my car on a scissor truck, which made for a small car. Then y'all pull up with a flatbed, which you're supposed to have had. Man, come on now, make it make sense. Make it make sense. Now, before we go any further, did I look this company up and order them? No. Let's make that clear. Who did I call to come get Lucille? I called AAA. AAA booked these people. I'm just gonna be honest, man. I'm just gonna be honest. She up for sale, man. I'm gonna get her fixed, but I don't want this car. Me and this car not mixing. I no longer want this car. I'm taking the name Lucille away, man. And her new name is Betty. Until the new owner get her name Betty. Bad Luck Betty. Bad News Betty. Just for real, man. Just, I mean, like, man, like, look at the people that work for the company. They look like they need every penny they can get, man, for real. Come on now. Let's just keep it honest. I promise. Worst tow service, period. Like, for real, for real. So if y'all can see that building that say Amscott way off at a distance, that's where I caught up with my car, swinging and swerving, swinging. We get in that curve straight ahead, bro, and I see my car bounce. Then I see it make one hard sway, then it just dropped. I see my wheel go flying in the air, and it hit this car right here. Make it make sense, man. This company that hard up for money that y'all willing to take risks on whatever just to make a dime, a penny, whatever it is. Like, really. Then most of these people in Florida, man, they stupid. They don't drive like they got no sense, man. They see these trucks with the lights on, and man, look at this shit. Look at it. I got buckling, man. You ever seen a car where you can see the whole sunroof? It's up in the air like you got hydraulics in the rear. But I'm gonna sit here and wait on another tow truck service and the highway patrol. We're gonna take it from there. It's your boy Miami T, man. Pissed off T. That's what I am tonight. Subscribe, man. Look like we kicking it the end of the year with a lot of drama.